Now next step is define chart of accounts. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounts, master data, preparations, edit chart of accounts list. That is the path to define chart of accounts. Click on that. Click on new entries. So here chart of accounts we will give MD. Then description chart of accounts for MD. Yes, chart of accounts for the company code MD. Then language, that we will give English. Then general ledger account number 6. Now controlling integration, it is automatically there. So now we can save these details. Click on save. Understood. So now that we have defined chart of accounts. Now next step is assign company code to chart of accounts. So click on that. Click on position. Then in the company code space we will give MD. Now you can see the company code, company name, city. So in that we will give chart of accounts as MD, then save it. Click on save. Understood. So now that we have defined chart of accounts and assigned company code to chart of accounts.